Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The World History. Today is the 3rd January. I will share some incidents happened in the world on this day. In 936, Duke Alberic II of Spoleto appoints his son Pope Leo VII. In 1638, first theatre in Amsterdam was opened by name Schouwburg Theatre. In 1653, the Covenant Cross oath is taken in the St. Thomas Christian community in an effort to avoid submission to Portuguese rule in India. In 1667, resistance of Androsova in Russia and Poland. In 1746, Bonnie Prince Charles army leaves Glasgow. In 1777, General George Washington's Revolutionary Army defeats British forces at Battle of Princeton at New Jersey. In 1780, Danish national anthem King Christian is started, the first sung. In 1815, France, the UK and Australia form an alliance against Russia and Prussia. In 1823, Stephen F. Austin receives a grant of land in Texas from the government of Mexico. He was the founder of Texas. In 1825, Scottish factory owner Robert Owen buys 30,000 acres of land in Indiana as site for New Harmony Utopian Community. In 1833, Britain seizes control of Portland Island in South Atlantic. In 1848, Joseph Jenkins Roberts is sworn in as the first president of independent African Republic Liberia. In 1852, the first Chinese arrives in Hawaii. In 1870, New York's Brooklyn Bridge construction begins and completed on May 24, 1883. In 1872, first patent list issued by U.S. Patent Office. In 1890, first U.S. college level dairy school opens at University of Wisconsin. In 1910, British miners strike for 8 hours working day. In 1911, U.S. postal saving banks inaugurated. In 1911, the Government of India announces that emigration of Natal, South Africa is prohibited with effect from July 1st. In 1911, the Russian Turkestan city of Almaty is destroyed by a magnitude 7.7 earthquake. In 1912, Southern Pacific River offers to bring Liberty Bell to the Panama Pacific Exposition in San Francisco. In 1918, U.S. Employment Service opens as an unit of the Department of Labor. In 1921, Turkey makes peace with America. In 1925, Benito Mussolini dissolves the Italian parliament and proclaims himself dictator of Italy, taking the title Second Duke, the leader. In 1938, March of Dimes established to fight polio. In 1943, first missing person telecast. In 1945, Cato Meridian School, New York installs germicidal lamps in every room. In 1945, U.S. aircraft carriers attack Okinawa. In 1959, Alaska admitted as 49th state. In 1975, Burma accepts its constitution. In 1976, US performs nuclear test at Nevada test site. In 1977, Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs incorporate Apple Computer. In 1978, Indian spin bowler B.S. Chandrasekhar becomes first in Test history to register identically figures in both innings, 6 for 52. India wins over Australia in third Test match at Melbourne. In 1985, future Indian cricket captain Mohammad Azharuddin scores 110 on his debut match. This is the third Test against England in Kolkata. This match was drawn. In 1991, 8 Iraqi embassy officials are expelled from the UK. Now I will share some birthdays on this day. In 1926, George Martin was born. In 1956, Mel Gibson. In 1969, Michael Schumacher. In 1929, Sergio Leone. In 1901, Ngio Din Dian. In 1945, Stephen Stills. In 1946, John Paul Jones. On these days, some famous personalities who were died. In 1984, Frank Church. In 1903, Elias Hitler. In 1979, Conrad Hilton. In 2014, Alicia Rate. In 2014, Phil Everly. In 2015, Edward Brooke. In 2020, Qasim Soleimani. These are the some events happens in the world on 3rd January. I request you to please share my video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel and be healthy always. Thank you one and all.